Are you tired of looking in the mirror and seeing the same old short haircut? Do you want to switch things up and rock a big, flowy hairstyle that turns heads? If so, you're in the right place. The flow hairstyle, also known as the dream flow, is a stylish and effortless look that suits many face shapes and hair types. In this video, we'll cover everything, from growing it out to styling it like a pro. So, let's get started. Understanding the flow hairstyle. The flow hairstyle is a long, natural-looking haircut that is layered to add texture and movement. It is commonly seen in athletes, surfers, and celebrities who prefer a casual yet stylish look. The length of the hair varies, but it is usually medium to long, giving it that signature flowy appearance. Unlike traditional haircuts that focus on structure and sharp edges, the flow haircut allows your hair to grow naturally while being styled in a way that enhances its movement. The beauty of this hairstyle is that it works with different hair types and textures, whether straight, wavy, or curly. The length of a flow hairstyle can vary, but it generally ranges from medium to long. To achieve the best look, your hair should be cut in layers to add volume and dimension. The most attractive feature of this hairstyle is its versatility. You can wear it loose and casual, or style it with product for a more polished appearance. Choosing the right flow hairstyle. Before you start growing your hair, it's essential to determine which type of flow hairstyle suits you best. The flow haircut comes in various styles. If you prefer a simple and effortless style, the classic flow is a great choice, as it features long hair with minimal layering for a natural look. For those who love a relaxed, beachy vibe, the surfer flow adds texture and waves, making it perfect for a laid-back aesthetic. The hockey flow is a popular option among athletes, featuring medium-length hair that looks rugged and effortlessly cool. If you have naturally curly hair, the curly flow allows you to embrace your curls while keeping them well-maintained and structured. Those with wavy hair can opt for the wavy flow, which enhances the natural movement of their hair, giving it a stylish yet easygoing appearance. If you want more depth and volume, the layered flow incorporates different lengths of layers, creating dimension and movement. For individuals who like the look of flowy hair but don't want to grow it too long, the short flow is a great option, offering a more manageable length while still maintaining the signature flow aesthetic. The ultimate goal for many is achieving the dream flow, which features long, well-maintained hair with the perfect balance of volume, texture, and movement. This is the most desirable version of the flow hairstyle, as it creates a striking and effortlessly stylish look. To choose the best flow hairstyle for you, consider your hair type, personal style, and face shape. The journey to growing your flow. Hairstyle. Growing a flow hairstyle is a journey that requires patience and dedication. It can take several months to a year to achieve the desired length, depending on how fast your hair grows. Throughout this process, proper maintenance and care are essential to keep your hair healthy and stylish. Many believe that growing out their hair means avoiding haircuts, but visiting a barber for initial shaping is crucial. A light trim every 6 to 8 weeks helps prevent split ends and maintains a clean look, especially for those with thin hair who need extra volume and texture. Another important factor in growing a flow hairstyle is hair washing and conditioning. Overwashing can strip natural oils, leading to dryness and breakage. To maintain moisture and strength, shampooing only 2 to 3 times a week with a sulfate-free product is ideal. Regular conditioning keeps hair soft and hydrated. The awkward phase, when hair is too long to be short, but not yet long enough to style properly, can be frustrating. Wearing hats, using headbands during workouts, and applying texturizing spray can help manage this stage. With patience and consistency, your dream flow hairstyle will gradually take shape. Achieving the perfect flow length. Achieving the perfect flow hairstyle requires patience and the right growing strategy. The key to a balanced and natural flow is to let the top of your hair grow longer first, while keeping the sides and back slightly shorter. This ensures that when the sides and back do grow out, they blend seamlessly into the overall style, rather than looking unkempt. In the early stages, visiting a barber for a scissor cut on the sides can help maintain a clean look without interfering with the top's growth. Once the top is at least 3 inches longer than the sides, you can begin growing out the rest of your hair. This gradual approach prevents an awkward, bulky look and helps maintain a structured appearance throughout the process. Avoid buzzing the sides, as this will create an uneven contrast that can be difficult to fix later. Instead, allow the hair to grow naturally while using light trims to shape it along the way. When your hair finally reaches the desired length, you can focus on styling techniques that enhance volume, texture, and movement. By following this method, you'll achieve a perfectly balanced flow hairstyle that looks effortlessly stylish and well-maintained. Perfecting the flow look. Now that you have achieved the perfect length, it's time to style your hair for that flawless flow look. You will need a few essential tools: a hairdryer, a round brush, a comb, and some styling products like texturizing spray or sea salt spray. Start by parting your hair in the direction you prefer. A side part often works best for a flow hairstyle, but you can experiment with different partings to see what suits you. Apply a volumizing mousse to your roots to add lift and make your hair look fuller. Using a hairdryer on medium heat, dry your hair while using a round brush to create movement. Lift the roots and direct the hair away from your face for that effortless flow. Once your hair is mostly dry, switch to a cool setting to set the style and add shine. For extra texture and definition, use a light texturizing spray. Simply spray it evenly through your hair and scrunch with your fingers for a more natural look. To finish, use a light hold hairspray to keep everything in place while maintaining the natural movement of your hair. Maintaining your flow hairstyle. Maintaining your flow hairstyle is just as important as growing it. Once you've achieved your desired length, regular trims every few months will help keep your hair in shape and prevent split ends. Even though the goal is to maintain long, flowing hair, trimming removes damaged ends and keeps your hair looking fresh and healthy. It's also important to continue using high-quality hair products such as sulfate-free shampoos and moisturizing conditioners to nourish and strengthen your hair. Avoid excessive heat styling, as frequent use of blow dryers, straighteners, and curling irons can cause dryness and breakage, making it harder to maintain your flow hairstyle. If you enjoy swimming, take extra precautions to protect your hair from chlorine, which can strip away natural oils and weaken the strands. Wearing a swim cap or rinsing your hair with fresh water before getting into the pool helps reduce chlorine absorption. Also, if you spend a lot of time in the sun, use hair products with UV protection to prevent dryness and fading. Keeping your hair hydrated by drinking plenty of water and using leave-in conditioners will also help maintain its softness and shine. With the right care, your flow hairstyle will stay stylish, healthy, and effortless. So, there you have it. Now you know exactly how to get that perfect flow hairstyle that turns heads. But remember, while great hair can make you look attractive, there's one thing that makes a man truly stand out: body language and extreme confidence. If you want to master that and level up your presence, then watch our video.